So, hello everyone. Uh, Today is my fifth vlog, and yesterday I slept late, so I thought I will wake up at 7 o'clock. But instead of that, I woke up at 10 o'clock. Again, one crucial thing to know is that I have never done contingency plans. So, what happens is, suppose I took a target of sleeping at uh, 12 o'clock, even by being late. But what happens is, if I go past that point where I'm supposed to sleep at 12 o'clock, so what happens is that I will not sleep till 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, because it's like anyway I'm not going to wake up at 7, because in my mind it's like I have already moved past that point of 12 o'clock. So I will keep sleeping till, let's say, 10 o'clock in the morning, and that is where contingency plans are very important. So what is a contingency plan? Is that suppose plan A does not work, let's go for plan B. Plan B does not work, so let's go for plan C. So plan A will always be idealistic, that if this happens, that will be the best. If that does not work, then we have to go with plan B, that, let's say, it is at least 80% of the idealism. If that does not work, then we have to go with plan C, that is at least 50 to 60% of the idealism. So a contingency plan is required, because many times, if whatever plans we have, if even the first thing it does not work, the whole plan goes into ruins, like it's a domino effect. But in real life, every day there will be so much chaos, there will be so much dynamism, new things will be there. Sometimes we are interesting into doing many things and we sleep late, so that should not waste our morning next day completely. But with me, that's what happened yesterday. And I did not wake up, I woke up at 10 o'clock and just wasted my whole day. And so I thought, okay, this is not working, let me figure out uh, something which will work. So my goal is fixed, I need this to work, and I need to do everything in my power to make this work. One thing more is that since this is the first week I'm struggling this much, once the routine is set, it gets into a rhythm, gets into a flow, and then it continues for a long period of time until some big chaos comes. But this first week is crucial, and I am figuring out things that work for me in a long run. Like, this is me finding answers from within myself, and this vlogging is my way of accountability, that whatever I go through, I will record and post it on YouTube. Whether I'm good or I'm bad, that is not the issue. The problem is, I've never even held some a track sheet. Like, if I start doing a to-do list every night, after a few days I just give up. So to be even tracking something is not giving me enough motivation to continue. So this thing, recording a video every night and posting it on YouTube, is my way of accountability. And definitely, when I speak in my own voice, I hear my own voice, I speak things out loud, things which are wrong, things which are right, things which I need to do. It becomes very clear in my mind what I have to do. And with this, I am making contingency plan. So here is my contingency plan. If I see, bare minimum requirement of sleep is 6 hours, ideal is 7 hours. So if I sleep by somewhere between 10 to 11, I will wake up at 5 o'clock. If I sleep somewhere between 11 to 12, now again my brain is tricking me, right? I'm very afraid even saying these words, because it's again tricking me. We tell the exact thing. So 10 to 11 is not good enough, because it's a 1 hour gap. What if I sleep at 11:01? Huh? So such questions are coming. It's better to plan it like that. If I sleep before 10, I will wake up at 5 o'clock. If I sleep before 10:30, I will still wake up before at 5 o'clock. If I sleep, let's say, by 11 o'clock, I will wake up by 6 o'clock, giving me good 7 hours of sleep. If I sleep by 12 o'clock. I will wake up at 7 a.m. But that is the maximum. There will never come a day where I am sleeping beyond 12. I will sleep on the same day, not the next day. So having these three contingency plans. The idealism is sleeping at 10 and waking up at 5. Even if I sleep at 10:30, that is fine, giving half hour buffer, but that day I will get 6.5 hours of sleep, which is still decent. And I will wake up at 5 again. But if I sleep by 11, I will wake up at 6. If I sleep by 12, I will wake up at 7. And this I will follow. This contingency plan I will follow. Alright. So what is the other thing? Like I will report. Now I am adding few things in this vlogging. Like I will make sure that I will do a few tasks. Let's say which I planned today. I will do this or that, and next day I will hold myself accountable in this video log itself whether I have done those or not. So let's get on with it. What will be the first thing? First, I will complete the PPT for my office. Second, I will help out my friend from office regarding a certain project. Third, I will complete the Udemy course. Fourth, I will complete the RM course. Like, no, I don't know. I will get time for this or not. But yeah, these things I will do. The Udemy Trisk course I will complete. I will make a PPT for my friend. I will also help him out regarding the project. So these three things I will complete for sure tomorrow, and I will hold myself accountable when I come back here. So yeah, it's been a long video. See you in the next one. Bye.